Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your YouTube account public. First, navigate to your YouTube studio and check your channel's basic info. Ensure your channel is not set to private, which would prevent anyone from seeing your content. Then, review the default upload settings to confirm new videos are automatically set to public visibility. This foundational step ensures your content is discoverable from the start. Once your channel is public, focus on individual video settings. Go to your content section in YouTube Studio. Here, you can see the visibility for all your uploaded videos. Make sure each video you want seen is explicitly set to public. You can also select multiple videos to change their visibility simultaneously, saving you time and effort. To help people find your public channel, optimize its discovery. Write a clear and engaging channel description that tells viewers what your content is about. Incorporate relevant keywords into your channel tags to improve searchability. Consider creating a short, captivating channel trailer to introduce new visitors to your content and encourage them to subscribe. With your channel and videos public, it's time to promote them. Share your YouTube channel link across all your social media platforms to reach a wider audience. If you have a website or blog, embed your videos there to drive traffic. Actively engage with your viewers by responding to comments, fostering a community around your content.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.